Get up, man, get up. If you're gonna help me. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to change an air filter on your vehicle. Doesn't matter if it's a Ford, Chevy, Dodge, car, truck, SUV. They're pretty much all in the same spot, either on the left side or the right side of the engine bay. So stick around, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this easy. Don't you dare pay anybody to do this.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting skeleton.
Interrupting skeleton. Oh, first things first, guys. These little stools you get, I'll put a link in the description. They're a must-have for working on taller vehicles. So whether you're vertically challenged or you're working on a lifted vehicle, it always comes in handy when you're getting over the engine bay, that side of the engine bay, or this side, or the front side on a lifted truck. You want to come into your vehicle and pop the hood, and usually hood pop can be somewhere in here. On the Fords, on mine, it's right here. One thing you're gonna need to know about your vehicle, how to pop the hood to get access underneath. So, we're gonna pop our hood, and I'm gonna show y'all right quick. If you're looking at the engine, of course you see that's a battery. There's your intake cover. This is reservoir for your radiator and your coolant. Okay, so your air filter, it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, just look at it a second. Air filter is either gonna be there. It's usually got a tube coming off the front of the engine right here, feeding air into the engine. So it's either, usually cars have them here, some have them in the back corner, but it's gonna be somewhere in the engine bay, really visible and accessible. See what I mean? You need a step, dude. What? Don't scratch my paint, man. We're gonna do this or what? All right, so what we're gonna do, get your step stool, if you've got one, and they're so easy on most year model trucks, cars, vans, SUVs. They've got, this is your air box. So air will come through here or someplace from the outside that draws in cool air. It'll go up through the air box, through the air filter, and into the intake. All right, so what you're gonna do is, usually, I mean, it's self-explanatory. Usually you've got 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, and usually they're just finger tight. You just pop them just like that. I've got 2 on here, and on the back side, it's got a slit that it goes in. You may have a slit that holds the back side down, or you may have clips back there. So, and then you just basically lift up, pull that out. All right. So there's the air filter. And from this side, you're gonna say, man, that's not dirty. Well, you look in here at all this trash. See that? Yeah, so it is dirty on second glance. Yeah, I don't want to be dropping that down in there. So we're gonna throw that out there. Look at my hands already. So yeah, I'd say that was dirty. All right, you're gonna lift this up. You're gonna look in there, inspect. If you've got any leaves, junk, you wanna get that out. You wanna make sure the top of the air box, everything's clean. And you wanna get your air filter. You've gotta check what fits your truck. So I've got a 2018 F-150 Raptor. This actually applies to all the Ford F-150s with the 3.5 V6 twin turbo. So Raptor or not, doesn't matter. We're gonna get one just like this, brand new. Gonna lift that up. You wanna make sure you don't put the top side like this. It won't, first off, it won't fit correctly because it's a little lip that we've got here. And you wanna just sit it right there, mess with it, make sure that it fits back perfect. And you can tell, I mean, it's really self-explanatory. And you see this lip, or these little prongs back here that stick inside that. That goes first. You want to put them in first, just like that. You're going to raise your clips back up, pop them just like that. We're done. That's it. That is a proper air filter change. And even though I'm on a Ford F-150 Raptor, you can do this on any car. It's that simple.
Help me.
Have people come by all the time. I'm out here working. I just lay him behind the truck. Have people stop.
Hey, is he all right?
I done told you quit messing around, waving at everybody that rides by. That's not cool, man. You're messing with them old ladies, scaring them to death. Guys, it is imperative that you keep up your maintenance, preventive maintenance, oil changes, air filter, and you even have a cabin air filter. We'll do that one soon, but that's to let fresh air inside the cabin, and you definitely want to take care of that. Is he still in the back of the truck, man? I'm gonna fire him. It's hard to get good help. If y'all like this video, thought it was helpful, check this video out. I'm serious. Check this video out. Y'all know what I'm saying. And head on over to my channel page and check out all my other how-to do-it-yourself videos I've got listed.